working on the 1970 Buick Wildcat. It's a clone, it's from a LeSabre. But we put a little something under the hood to make it, give it that Wildcat power. We got a Rocket 350. So it's got a Holley Performance 4-barrel on it. And the ignition, I upgraded that with some MSD parts, super thick spark plug wires, and E3 plugs. Just got it shined up a little bit. But what I did today was I put in a triple bypass 180-degree thermostat from Summit Racing. Alright. What that does is, God forbid, you know, the thermostat doesn't open, it still can flow coolant even if it does. That's what that's for. So even if there's a failure, which probably isn't going to happen, your engine won't get cooked. So that's what I did today. Pretty nice looking car. And so this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.